Here's the crank tensioner handle that I just made. It's all finished. Works really good. Tensioner works fine. Everything's going to align really well. I got this done finally on the driven side. All I have to do is adjust horizontal and vertical. It'll be easy. This plate here is slotted, so I can raise that pillow block bearing up and down. And the pillow block is also slotted. This pivots within the housing, so the wheel will go where I put it according to this. So that's all finished. I just need to get a measurement now for a blade between these two wheels. They're mounted. This is a milestone. Working to get this. There's a lot more work to do, but at least this much is done.